This video may contain Reiki. I'm at the river today and I'm sending so much distance Reiki energy to you right through the camera. I hope you can feel it. Leave me a comment and let me know if the Reiki is coming through. I just uploaded my Reiki for Abundance book, and I'm getting ready to teach the biggest Reiki for Abundance class I have ever taught at Unity on August 6th, 2022, just before that really potent Lion's Gate portal. And I would love to invite you, if you live in Central Oregon, or maybe you live somewhere else and you've been wanting to visit beautiful Bend, why not just schedule a little getaway for a Reiki for Abundance class. My class is about 65% full at this point. I'm going to put the link down below in the description for you to sign up. You do have to sign up on Eventbrite ahead of time. I am absolutely positive this class will sell out before August 6th. So make sure you sign up now if you want to come. Everyone who attends this Reiki for Abundance class will get a free book. I just published to Amazon my new book, Reiki for Abundance, and everyone is going to get a free signed and Reiki'd paperback book of Reiki for Abundance if you attend this class. It's only open to 30 students. Like I said, we're about 65% full, so make sure you sign up. And 40% of the proceeds is going towards Unity Community of Bend. It's a win-win. I love this spiritual Unity community, and I'm using their space to teach us Reiki for Abundance and helping them out at the same time. And we just had that amazing supermoon in Sagittarius. Check out my supermoon astrology report. If you haven't watched it already, you can learn all about the aspects of that really potent supermoon. And I used the magnificent energy of that Antares star that was coming in so strong in the heart of the Scorpion. And I am a Scorpio. And I self-published my Reiki for Abundance book on Amazon. And I'm doing a whole video about how to use astrology to align with the stars when you publish a book, because I swear astrology works wonders when you chart your launch, your book, your event, your wedding, to make sure that the energy supports it. I so believe in this. And it really worked for me because I haven't even had the time to promote this book. I've just been so busy writing it, designing it with my husband, and then uploading it. But within one day, within 24 hours of uploading Reiki for Abundance, my book reached #1 new release in holistic medicine. And this was just a huge surprise for me because it was better than I could have ever imagined. I just didn't think that would happen so fast. And using the power of Reiki combined with astrology, I swear this will create miracles in your life. And I want to teach you how to do this too, how to align with this higher energy of Reiki to receive all that you desire. And this is my why for teaching this bigger Reiki class, Reiki for Abundance, at Unity Church on August 6th, just before that really potent Lion's Gate 8/8 portal, which we have every year. I've done videos about this in the past. On August 8th, it's a really powerful time to manifest. So if you get this Reiki attunement just before the Lion's Gate portal, it sends you on this 21-day cycle of transformation where you can raise your energetic vibration to manifest all that you desire. So I hope you will sign up. And who wants to learn Reiki? Write me in the comments if you want to learn this Reiki for Abundance. And who wants to have that Reiki attunement right before the Lion's Gate? Give me a me down in the comments if you want to. And I think that we just really need to raise the energetic vibration of our whole planet right now, and this is something we can do with Reiki. When you get that Reiki attunement, it raises your energetic vibration. You become a light bearer. You hold this bright light, love light of energy that can transform the world. And I really do believe Reiki can make the world a better place. One Reiki attunement at a time. We're just like turning on the light switch for every human body to go out and become a light bearer. And we just need more of this high vibrational light on our planet right now. So if you want to become a light bearer and you want to receive a Reiki attunement, write me in the comments. I want to know how many of you are interested in learning this Reiki for abundance. This is the only class I am teaching for the entire summer of 2022. I won't have another class until September 10th on the Harvest Moon. I will be teaching a really small class at my home, which will only have room for 8 students. So if you want to get in 2022, if you want to become a light bearer, if you want to know the powers of Reiki for abundance, if you want to get a free Reiki book written by me, Reiki'd by me, and signed by me for free when you take the class, then just write me in the comments and sign up down below in the description. I have the Eventbrite link, and I would go quick because there's only about 30% of those spots left. And just after this August 6th Reiki for Abundance class, I am thinking about doing a live right here on YouTube for that 8/8 Lionsgate portal. It would be a free live on Facebook. You could watch and just get some more distance Reiki, and then we can do all kinds of energetic things to honor that Lionsgate portal. If you are interested in me doing an 8/8 Lionsgate portal, will you leave below in the comments whether morning, noon, afternoon, evening works? I'm trying to figure out my timing. I'm kind of drawn, it's a Monday, so I know so many body workers take Mondays off, and a lot of my friends have Monday off. I'm thinking about doing a midday 8/8 portal live on not Facebook, live on here, right here on YouTube. But if evening works better for you, leave it in the comments. I kind of want to take a poll here to see when I should do this 8/8 Lionsgate portal live. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you felt this Reiki coming through. If you felt it, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know. I'm down here by the river. I'm gonna send some more Reiki to this video as soon as we unplug here. And thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.